Hello! Welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for Earth Sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Ayan, take only what resonates, guys. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Unfortunately, hindi ko talaga makuha lahat ng energy ng Earth Sign sa mundo. Pero okay lang yun. May mga next reading pa tayo. If you want, pwede ka magpa-personal reading Jing Tarot Reader or yung aking Facebook page. Diyan ka pwede mag-inquire. Madam Space P as in princess, and then lagyan mo pa ng space pa sa dulo. Yan yung page kung saan pwede ka mag-inquire ng personal reading or dun sa aming Gmail, virgophilippines@gmail.com. Yan, kung saan ka pwede mag-avail ng mga products na available sa amin, Unipri, UNIPRI. Yan, sa TikTok po, TikTok shop. You might want to check it out. Let's start. Earth sign. Ace of Cups. I see love here. You are in love with someone. The Devil, Capricorn energy. And that, actually, ito medyo magulo ha. Kasi iba't ibang energy eh. Yung iba pwedeng mahal mo pa hanggang ngayon, yung iba minahal mo. Okay? Kung minahal mo siya, itong taong to, with the devil, pwedeng itong taong to, minahal mo, pero nakitaan mo ito ng toxicity, narcissist, manipulative na tao. Nakakita ka ng red flags. And now you do have here the Chariot, Cancer energy. Now you want to get out of the situation. Gusto mong umalis, lumayo, iwan. Itong taong to, kasi ang toxic. Masyadong red flag. Manipulate ka. So, pwedeng nakita mo yung mga kasinungalingan niya, yung mga kalokohan niya, etc. And now you want to go, you want to get out of the situation. Yung iba, if you still love the person, well, this is an advice for you na parang, alam mo na kung red flag yung isang tao. Alam mo na may mga nakikita ka negative sa kanya. No? Maybe it's time for you to walk away or umalis, lumayo because nakikita mo na kung anong klaseng tao to. So, nasa sa yan. Alam mo kung sino yung kakonect mo. Yung iba, they're choosing to stay kasi they love the person. Okay? Pwedeng mahal mo pa, kaya hindi mo maiwan. Okay? And yung iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta, anong gagawin mo. Diba? The Six of Wands is here. So, hindi mo maiwan, hindi mo maalisan. Wala kang iba pupuntahan. Yung iba, so hindi ka makapag-decide regarding this. Yung iba, Three of Swords, pwedeng some kind of maybe Three of Swords is a third party situation. Yung iba, ganito ang sitwasyon. You love the person or you are already in love with someone, kaya nakitaan mo ng negativity yung person na kakonect mo, and now you want to leave the person kasi may isa pang person na involved dito, and maybe that is the one na nakikitaan mo na, ito gusto ko na to. No, pwedeng ganon. So, iba-iba yung sitwasyon, guys. Alamin mo kung ano yung sa'yo doon. Okay? Ikaw na maglagay ng sarili mo sa sitwasyon. So, sino yung person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love? Person na kakonect mo pagdating sa love for this. Medyo naglalag ako, guys. Medyo full na kasi yung memory ko. For Earth sign. For Earth sign. Okay. Five of Pentacles. Kukuha pa ako ng isa. Five of Pentacles. The Eight of Pentacles. Isa pa. Kung hindi mo ako gustong reader, may mga ibang klaseng reading kang gusto, like gusto mo nakikita yung cards, pwede ka naman mag-next video, no? So, yeah. Ten of Cups at the bottom of the deck. The Fool is also here. Hindi ko na lang ipakita kasi medyo alas 4 na ng umaga dito sa amin, guys. Hindi pa ako nakakatulog. And alive na alive pa ako. So, kaya lang ayoko ng maliwanag. Kaya, ganito. Ganyan lang. Magkasya na kayo dyan. Kaya hindi ko makita, hindi ko mapakita ng maayos yung cards. Okay. Five of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Judgment. I'm feeling like pwedeng nagkakaroon ng changes ngayon pagdating sa inyong money. nagkakaroon ng changes pagdating sa connection mo with this person. 8 of Pentacles, I feel like may blockage, pero parang ini-enjoy nyo na lang yung connection. Kahit may blockage, yung iba, you are already involved in a third-party situation, and then, maybe ini-enjoy mo na lang yung connection niyo kahit may naka-block. Yeah, you are already creating something eh. Or may mga nabubuo na kayo, plano, yeah, maybe 8 of Pentacles, they showing to me as parang in the future, pwede may mga nagugustuhan na kayo na gawain, and then the Judgment, pwedeng nagkakaroon ng awakening. This could be a spiritual connection, and I feel like someone is watching over you, okay? So may nakamasid, may nakatingin, may nagmamatsyag sa connection na ito, okay? And I feel like this could be, hindi ko masabi, chismosa, family, pwedeng involved ng family, na parang sila yung nagmamasid dito sa connection na to. Like, lagi sila nakaantabay. Basta may nakatingin, may nakikibalita kung ano yung nangyayari sa connection niyo. And gusto nilang malaman kung kamusta na ba kayo. Ayun. But, guys, hindi para sa lahat, pero parang pareho kayo ng past na tong person na to. Kaya you're like soulmate eh. Kasi parang pareho kayo ng pinagdaanan or naiintindihan ka niya kasi pinagdaanan ko rin yan. Okay? So, ganun. Emotions niyo sa isa't isa for earth sign. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, huwag pilitin ibigay sa iba. Ten of Pentacles, the Empress, I can see money, I can see yung iba kung wala pa si pera, paparating na si pera, ang dami. And then, the Emperor, the Empress, nakikita natin, for now, you are loving yourself, you're loving whatever you're doing, what you're loving, kung ano yung mga bagay na binigay sa'yo, mga dumadating sa'yo, so, andyan, ang focus mo sa mga bagay na meron ka, dumadating pa, and I see how you appreciate yourself, your talent, your skills. Kumbaga dati, maaaring lagi mo pinaghahanapan yung sarili mo, pero ngayon, nakikita natin na wala akong hinahanap ngayon sa sarili ko. I love myself, I love myself, I love myself. Page of Pentacles, I can see you, well, be careful kasi some of you will be buying stuff na hindi naman talaga kailangan. Like, some of you pwede may kinalaman sa accessories or, well, if it's accessories na may kinalaman sa protection, pampaswerte, mga ganun, and nakakonect, like, for, what, well, hindi ako nag-advertise, pero I do sell crystals, I do sell Evil Eye doon sa aming TikTok shop, Unipre, yung nabanggit ko sa first ng video na ito. But, kung mga ganun na may pakinabang, kasi may pakinabang, of course, pampaswerte na bracelets or crystals is like, you are attracting luck sa buhay mo. At saka may mga benefit, health benefit, etong crystals. No, they attract positivity, etc. No? And then yung Evil Eyes is for protection. So, may pakinabang. What I am saying here is that some of you pwedeng bumili ng mga hindi naman kailangan na gamit. So, be mindful of that. Kasi, although may money, may pera, pero of course, ayaw naman natin na basta na lang mabaliwala ito or magastos sa hindi naman talaga pakinabang. Okay? So, manage your money wisely. May pera, pero alamin mabuti kung saan ito dapat gastusin, kung saan dapat ilagay. Okay? Emotions ng person na ito for you. Advice yun kasi sa'yo, kasi actually, maybe iba sa inyo wala kang pakialam masyado sa person mo. And dun mahal mo yung person, pero I don't know, some of you want to leave the person. Mahal mo, kaya lang gusto mo nang umalis. Kasi pwede nahitaman mo na toxic na eh. 3 of Swords is here. So, if you're dealing with 3 people in your life, 2 people, so may third party situation dito, I can see big change regarding doon. The Star is here, King of Swords, and the Knight of Swords. I can see big change. It is a good change actually. Kasi nakakita tayo dito na may mga mabubuo na. Maaring noon, more on, kwento lang or pag-uusap lang. But this time, there's something solid na nakikita natin na maaring mabuo dito. And the King of Swords, I feel like, nandun yung you will be acknowledged or yung kung ano man ito, pwedeng maging involved yung family dito, especially mga older um, people or yeah, pwedeng I don't know why it feels like this ha. If you are in a third party situation, there could be another person. Yeah, yun nga, the person, maybe the new person, na pwedeng maging mas pabor si parents or si magulang, tita, tito, doon sa new person. Although ito ay parang bawal na pag-ibig kasi maybe there's problem kasi may marriage involved yung iba. So, although ganun, I feel like mas pumapabor doon sa new person. So, hindi naman lahat ganun ang case. Hindi naman lahat ganun ang kwento. Pero yung iba sa inyo ganun. No? Nagigets mo yun. Parang involved na si mama, mommy, daddy, ganyan. And then, the relatives. Mas pabor sila doon sa bago. Guys, bahala ka ilagay ang sarili mo sa sitwasyon ha. Yung iba kasi, yung iba sabihin, ay kabit na nga, ganito ganyan, bakit ganon? Konsentidora ang mga Well, yung iba kasi sa inyo, sabi ko nga kanina, pwedeng toxic na kasi yung relationship with the first connection or someone na pwedeng ikaw ay ikinasal sa hindi mo naman talaga. Kumbaga, hindi kayo okay. Toxic ang bahay, ang tahanan. The person that you're, married here is pwedeng manipulator. Diba? Minamanipulate ka, ginagamit ka. So nandun. And also, this is the soulmate kind of energy, high priestess. So, yeah, pwedeng, ayan na si soulmate, paparating na. Lalo na nagkaroon na ng awakening, some of you, with the judgment. So, what will happen in the near future for the both of you? Near future for the both of you. Queen of Swords, yeah. The High Priestess. Three of Wands. In the near future, the Hierophant. Page of Cups. Six of Wands. What's the Six of Wands? Four of Cups. Okay. Queen of Swords. In the near future, nakikita natin yung pagka-cut off mo with someone, and the High Priestess, I feel like, and I don't know, you're listening to your guide, you're listening to your intuition. Yung iba nakikinig ka sa mga readers or mga napapanood mo dito sa social media kasi of course, maaring ako, diba, kung lagi ka nakafollow sa akin, maybe may mga particular videos ako na may advice ako regarding doon sa situation mo and ano maganda dapat gawin doon, and then you are applying it to yourself kasi alam mo na ito yung makakabuti para sa'yo. The Three of Wands is here. So, I can say someone living your life, out of your life, paalis siya palayo. And this could be someone na parang nagkaroon siya ng sarili niyang direction sa buhay. So, pwede may mga iba-iba, guys. Could be love, could be a family member, could be katrabaho, kaibigan, or yung iba pwedeng empleyado, ganyan. If you do have a business. So, nakita tayo ng pag-alis ng isang person kasi may sarili na siyang direction sa kanyang buhay. But this is like a happy ending kind of energy. And the Hierophant, I'm seeing that a lot of lessons ang matututunan dito sa connection nito. Page of Cups, enjoy it. Just enjoy your connection with someone, especially nga, someone na pwedeng, I feel like etong taong tutulungan mo. So, na may pagtutulungan dito, pwede tulungan mo siya, tulungan ka niya, and then, that would be the start of something sa inyong dalawa. Sabi ko nga, pwede may makreate kayong dalawa. And, yeah, pagdating sa emotions, you will feel like a teenager ulit pag nakakonect mo tong taong to. It will be a happy connection, happy relationship. You will feel a lot of kikiligin ka sa kanya, matutuwa ka sa kanya, or you will feel special sa pagtrato niya sa'yo. So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.